Hey everyone, is Vent not working properly, or do you want to start with a clean setup? Resetting Vent can help resolve configuration issues, boot problems, and other unexpected errors. Before you begin, remember that some reset methods may erase the contents of your USB drive, so back up any important files first. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to reset Ventoy step by step, so let's get started. First, open your Vent USB drive and copy all important ISO files and personal data to another storage device. Having a backup ensures you won't lose important files if you need to reinstall or reconfigure Ventoy. If you've customized Ventoy, open the USB drive and locate any Vent configuration files or folders. Removing or restoring these configuration files to their default state can resolve many settings-related problems. Now launch the latest version of the Vent application. If Ventoy is already installed on the USB drive, use the Update option. If that doesn't solve the issue, reinstall Vent to create a fresh installation. After resetting or reinstalling Ventoy, copy your backed up ISO files back to the USB drive. Vent can boot supported ISO files directly once they're copied to the drive. Restart your computer and boot from the Vent USB drive. Verify that the Ventoy menu appears correctly and that your ISO files load without errors. If you still experience problems, remove any remaining custom themes, plugins, or advanced configuration files and return Ventoy to its default configuration. This eliminates many issues caused by incorrect settings, and that's how to reset Ventoy. Whether you're fixing boot issues, removing custom settings, or starting with a clean installation, these steps can help restore Vent to a working state. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.